Welcome to Jarod and Logan's Halloween Bash. It's Halloween and a variety of candy are present for all trick-or-treaters. Circus peanuts are my favorite candy, and I usually get it 33% of the time I trick-or-treat. Make sure to subscribe.
Okay, I go trick or treating and I get candy, but I also get circus peanuts. And this time I got 5 in a row. It was so awesome. It was so awesome. But is this likely? I'm not sure. But dude, circus peanuts are awesome. They're so awesome. They're so awesome.
Hi, Logan's back. Is 5 in a row enough to suggest that more people are giving out circus peanuts more than the usual 33%? Or not?
Okay, so maybe they might not be unusual at 33% getting 5 in a row, but let's just find out. Okay, so how do we start a simulation? Well, it starts with state or imitation. That kind of sounds like simulation, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. Yeah, imitation. Although that doesn't go with S. Not yet. So with S, we have state. And that's awesome. And state is to state your assumptions like a boss. And the next is plan like a boss. Just plan out what you're going to do. And then you're going to do the simulation like a boss. And then after that, you conclude, look at your results, and then you think, is this right? Probably, or maybe not. I'm not sure. Okay. Awesome.
Thank you, Jarod. Now, when you're stating, make sure you restate the question for the simulation. And also list primary assumptions before planning out the simulation. So first, you question. Then, you do assumptions. Then next, Jarod, you say it.
Independent. Make sure that you assume that it's either independent or dependent, and then make sure that everything else is there. Oh God, I can't see it. Oh God. Oh God. But after state, it's plan, and that's so awesome because you have to give a detailed explanation of the plan. You have to assign digits. How can we use dice? Or maybe like a digits table. Or like dice again. Or like digits table. Or even a calculator to represent 33%.
For our simulation, we will run 20 simulations. After that, we can also tally the results. Thanks.
But after you plan, it's time to do. So then we look at our data and we do the simulations and we do everything and then we look at them. And we see that we got 5 in a row 5 times. And then we got not 5 in a row 15 times. That's like really kind of okay, man. That's like 25%, I think. But now it's time to conclude.
Thank you, Jarod. In the conclusion, 5 in a row is not that unusual. Our simulation results are not enough evidence that. Our simulation results are not enough evidence that.
And we now have the idea that maybe we should do more simulations, or maybe that we need to look at other types of data. But in reality, I think that candy is pretty arbitrary. I mean, it's all sugar anyway. Why would 33% even matter? Calculator, you're stupid. You're so stupid for thinking it's not uncommon. Dude, 25%, come on.
Thanks, Jarod. Now here's Tommy.
Kip!